From the students of Penn State Meteorology, here is your Penn State Campus Weather Service forecast.
After some moderation this weekend, we are expecting yet another cold shot to take hold of the state later this week as a system delivers that cold air from west to east. I'm meteorologist Paul Mikolajczyk. Behind me is our Beaver Stadium Weather STEM camera showing a pretty thick cloud deck across the State College area right now, and that cloud deck is present across much of the state, and that is signifying we are expecting a disturbance to roll through later this evening into overnight tonight. Rain changing over to snow for most people. Currently it is 48 degrees. It feels like 48 because that wind is calm, not a whole lot in terms of the winds. That is going to change later tonight as that colder air does move from west to east. Visibility is good at 8 miles. No precipitation right now to obscure that visibility. Currently, temperatures across central parts of the state are in the 40s and 50s. Our warm spot is Altoona, where we have those greens. That is where we have temperatures in the 50s, and the blues, temperatures in the 40s. And farther to the north, temperatures are actually already down to the 30s. And those 30s are expected to move from northwest to southeast as that colder air does work its way into all the state later tonight into early tomorrow. 37 is the cold spot for Erie, and also the cold spot for our feels-like temperatures as well. 28 degrees. Those winds are starting to kick up farther to the northwest, but notice where the winds are calm and temperatures are more on the mild side, we aren't really seeing too much in the way of any kind of wind chill, but those wind chills will definitely be a factor for the forecast for tomorrow and into Wednesday as well. Currently, we are expecting this cloud shield to remain in place over the next several hours into tonight and early tomorrow. Here's a look at that disturbance, though, off to the west. And as we zoom out, that disturbance is currently providing moderate snow right now to much of Michigan into Illinois and Indiana. That blue is indicating where we have snow, pinks mix, and green rain. But as we saw the temperatures, currently just a little bit too warm right now for State College and points south and east to see any kind of snowfall with the temperatures so high. So as a result, we are going to start off as rain. However, places farther to the north and to the west are expected to change over to snow, and light to moderate accumulation is expected. That is why the National Weather Service does have winter weather alerts here. In purple, we have winter weather advisories. In pink, we have winter storm warnings. And pink is where we are expecting the highest snowfall totals to be. The pinks actually do not expire until early afternoon on Tuesday, and that is because we are expecting snow showers to redevelop after the system has moved through, and so the threat for winter weather will continue well into the early afternoon hours on Tuesday. Futurecast does show that shield of blue working its way into western parts of the state. There's that mixed line working from northwest to southeast, State College into the greens, and as we work our way into overnight, notice that the snow doesn't quite make it to State College, and that's because air is moving from west to east. It's flowing over the mountains, and as it flows over the mountains, it actually sinks, and that's not good for precipitation, as that precipitation does eventually redevelop to our east. South and east of I-81 here in Harrisburg is where we could see some back-end flakes with that disturbance, and not really too much in the way of accumulation, but certainly could be a sight to see in terms of first flakes south and east of I-81. Snow showers do redevelop after the system moves through, and that is going to provide the chance for some localized dangerous travel conditions, so certainly be on the lookout for any kind of snow shower or snow squall activity for the afternoon tomorrow. For today, temperatures are expected to get into the lower 50s, mostly cloudy. That wind is from the southwest, but once again, that wind is shifting out of the west for tonight, and that is going to lead to rain that will taper off to snow showers here. Wind is increasing. That is going to lead to a lower wind chill as well, gusting 20 to 25 miles an hour. So certainly take your temperatures and subtract at least 5 to 10 degrees off of that, and that is going to be your feels like temperature. The biggest story of the next 7 days is we have that big cold shot here in the middle of the week. That is going to be where we have lower 30s, but notice we do have a moderating trend as we end the work week into the weekend. Currently, the kickoff is 12 o'clock on Saturday against Indiana. The afternoon high temperature is expected to be 40 degrees, and over the next several days, it definitely will be on the chilly side. For the Campus Weather Service, I'm meteorologist Paul Mikolajczyk. Have a great day.